In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook lead ads to Mailchimp. By the end, your Facebook and Instagram lead forms will feed new contacts straight into your Mailchimp audience, ready for automated emails and follow-ups. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to Mailchimp in a browser and that you have access to the Facebook page that owns your lead form through Meta Business settings. It also helps to know which Mailchimp audience you want to send these leads to. Begin inside your Mailchimp account. From the main navigation, go to Integrations. This is Mailchimp's hub for connecting your tools, and it's where you'll find the official connection for Facebook's lead forms. If you don't see integrations right away, it's usually under your account or connected apps area. Next, use the search field in Integrations and start typing Face. Facebook integrations now appear under the Meta brand, so you're looking for Meta lead ads. Typing the first few letters is enough to pull it up quickly. This ensures you're selecting the correct, supported app rather than a third-party workaround. Open the Meta Lead Ads option. On its details page, you'll see a quick description of what the integration does, along with permissions it needs to sync new leads into Mailchimp. This is a good moment to confirm you're working in the right Mailchimp account and that you're ready to connect the correct Facebook page. Click Connect. Mailchimp will prompt you to sign into Meta if you aren't already. Approve the requested permissions so the integration can access your pages and lead forms. When asked, select the page that collects your leads and confirm the assets the app should use. After authorization, you'll return to Mailchimp to finish setup. Choose the Mailchimp by audience where new contacts should go, review how fields will map, and confirm. If you manage multiple forms or pages, double check you've selected the right one before finalizing. A few quick tips to wrap up. If you don't see your page listed, verify you have the appropriate page and leads access permissions in Meta Business settings and that the lead form is published. After connecting, submit a test lead using Meta's testing tool so you can confirm it appears in your chosen Mailchimp audience. Finally, monitor your first few submissions in Mailchimp to make sure everything is flowing as expected. That's it. You've connected Facebook lead ads to Mailchimp, so new signups will land automatically in your audience and can trigger your welcome emails or automations.